When this house was built with the balloon framing, they weren't required to put headers above the windows. Now the header distributes the load, which is the roof above us, to load points that go down to the footers so it doesn't crack your window. This flipper didn't know anything about framing and decided to just put a 2x4 in there in order to nail his window to. Now, it's probably not going to be a problem because it hasn't been a problem for the past however many years this house has been standing. But when you go through framing inspection, they're going to fail you over this, so you got to put in a real structural member up there. So what we're going to do to fix this problem is remove what they did, obviously, and then we're going to take two 2x8s and sandwich them together with a piece of plywood. You nail them together, you glue them together, and you put that structural member up there, and that'll allow us to distribute the load properly.